We're visiting the factory of one of our friends. Yeah, she's there. She's busy. We're going to check her mga items niya. Tumabi ka dyan at check ko yung items. Bibili ako. Nice. Unique. Pwedeng lagayan sa loob. Pwede mong gawin, ano. Cute.
It can be a planter. It can
Yes,
be a
true.
coffee.
Ito pwedeng lagayan ng ilaw. This one. Very old magazine. Ayan. Pinagdikit-dikit. So, ito yung kanilang name of the store. Budol ako. Nabudol ako ang lola nyo. At nagpabudol din. O, tingnan mo. Ang cute.
Nahirapan si Nanay. Oh my God. Thank you. Should we put this, where the exercise naman ito?
Hi, girls.
Kulang ng tinggan.
Kulang ka?
Isa. Di ba sa akin na lang doon sa kaso?
Captured market. Like, how many people do you eat every day?
Meron na ako. Parang nagdamingan ako ng kanin.
Gutom, Masarap kumain pag malamig.
And then, how were the rubies and the Pluke connection? How are the boys?